guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's a very big day for me because I'm going to be unboxing my new vlogging camera and I'm so excited for this, you guys. I'm just so excited to vlog and have my videos be even better quality. My thumbnails will be even better and just everything. I'm just so excited for my new camera. I'm so excited. So I have right now the camera that I'm currently filming on, which I'm also going to show you the quality change once I finish unboxing it and switch over so you guys can see the difference. The camera that I have right now was great to start off my channel with. I got this camera 2 years ago, I believe, and I've used it ever since I started my channel. So I use the Canon, I think it's the Canon PowerShot, and then it's SX730HS. That's the exact name. I'll have that one linked down below because it's great. Honestly, if you don't want to spend too much money on a camera, I highly recommend this one because it has gotten me where I am today and I really love it. But it was time for an upgrade. Time to just get a new camera, and this one that I got is the Canon EOS M50. So I got the one, because you can choose on Best Buy. I got it from Best Buy, by the way, so I'll have it linked down below. But I got the one that comes with the lens. You can get just the body by itself, but I got it with the lens, and this lens is a 15 to 45 milliliter lens. So let's open it up. And I literally didn't open it at all. I waited because I had work last night, so I just wanted to wait till today. So when you first open the box, just has the little manuals and things like that, the user manual. But I've already been watching so many YouTube videos. Let me bring you back up. I've already been watching so many YouTube videos with how to set it up, how to use different settings and everything like that. So I'm really excited to play around with it. So let's see. Alright, let's just get to the fun part. So when you first open it, the first thing is the strap that it comes with, which is great, especially if you're traveling somewhere and you just want to hold it around your neck or something so that it's just in a safe place. This is great. So it just comes with this little strap, and then this is the lens. This is so unreal. This lens is perfect. This is just what the lens looks like. So I'm really excited. Wow. And then the battery. Here's the battery. It's much bigger than my one for my smaller camera, because this camera is a little bigger and just more heavy duty. And now we have the camera. I'm also just going to take out the charger. So this is great. Now I have two cameras, so if I ever wanted to take some videos where I wanted two perspectives, I can switch back and forth from the camera. And yeah, so I'm still gonna have my other camera and use it if I ever need it. I can also take pictures on this. I can take pictures on this. This is gonna be great for pictures as well, but I can just still use both. This is the charger. And now for the camera. My desk is literally a mess. Wow. Oh my gosh. I love the grip of it. So this is what it looks like. I love this grip it has. So it's going to be comfortable to hold. If I'm vlogging and I'm not using a tripod, I can just hold it like this. And I love it. So this is the front of it. It says EOS here. There's a button here. And then this one has the viewfinder. So in the camera, the other Canon, the viewfinder flips upward, and this one comes out to the side. which is very different. It's gonna take me definitely some getting used to, because obviously I've been vlogging with this camera for so long and I'm used to it just kind of like being there. I try not to look at myself too much because I want the focus to be obviously like to you guys and like this, but if you can tell if I'm looking up and looking at myself, but I feel like it's less noticeable than this because this one is completely like on the side. It's gonna take me some getting used to, but and so also it just turns back inside. So if let's say I'm taking a video of something else and I just want to like track it here, I can obviously just look there. If I'm taking pictures, like if I take self-timer pictures, I like to use the viewfinder so I can look at myself too. So I'm really happy with it. And also you can just flip it and you can do like this. So then if you're taking pictures and you want to just keep looking at it or change any of the settings, you can easily just click while you're taking pictures, or have the person who's taking pictures for you click on there. So I really love it. It just looks so perfect. And then it has this little eyepiece so you can look inside while you're taking pictures. And then up here is the flash. Alright, so I'm going to try to start this baby up. So I'm going to put the battery in, and you just open it up by sliding this forward. And I'm just going to take my battery, push it in there, and take my SD card. Let's close this back up. So before I turn it on, I'm going to remove the lens cap. So right here. And then I'm going to attach our lens. After removing the lens cap, you have to remove the body cap. And then you can, and you have to hear that little click that you guys just heard. And then just remove the front lens cap. Just pinch it. Wow, this looks so professional. Like, look at that. It's crazy. And I can always like add on and get a different lens, like a bigger lens and everything like that in the future if I wanted one. So I'm excited. So now I'm going to turn it on just by switching this right here. And I need to set it up. So I'm going to open this, and you can just literally see the menu where it says to put in like the date and time. So I'm just going to quickly put in the date. Today is so I just put the time in, and you can literally touch, it's touch screen, so you don't really have to use this as your arrows. You can just do it quickly like this. Okay, so I was like setting it up. I was watching a YouTube video and just kind of like playing around with the settings, and then it actually needed me to charge the battery, which I probably should have like charged it before, but I was too excited. But I'm gonna, once it's done charging, I'm gonna put it back in, like go through the settings, just make sure everything is all set. And because there's a lot, I watched a lot of videos, and you can, there's like auto exposure, auto focus and everything. So I think I'm gonna do that, because in this camera right here, the exposure sometimes like wasn't the best, and like the brightness and everything like that. The focus was pretty good, but this camera is just going to be even better, like better at focusing. Especially in the video I watched, you can literally go in and focus on the tiniest thing. Even if you're taking a picture, you can focus on something so little just by tapping on the screen, which is pretty cool. So when I'm vlogging and let's say like I'm moving around a lot, I can just tap the screen on my face or something, and it should pick up the focus right away. So that's something I'm really excited to test out. So like I said, I'm gonna let this charge. I'm gonna clean up my desk because I have all of this unboxing stuff just laying around. And then once I have all my settings in, I'm going to switch over and start vlogging on it so that you guys can see the quality change. So yeah, hopefully it all looks good, and we'll see. We'll just play around with it. Obviously today in this video, if it's not like the greatest look of it, if the tones are off, I'm gonna keep playing around with it. So that's not how it's gonna be for the whole time, but it's just to show you guys the difference and how it looks when I started out. So I'm gonna clean up and I'll be back. Actually, really quickly, I'm just gonna show you up close what the buttons look like and everything. So here you just have your menu, the playback button, autofocus is the left, and then for flash, the garbage can, and then information. Haven't tested these out yet, these two buttons. The on and off switch, and here we have this dial, so you just turn it for your preference, whatever you're doing. If you're taking pictures, if you're recording like I am, I just leave it on the movie setting. And then we have the shutter, and then this is the button where you click to start recording. Haven't played around with this button yet, and I didn't test out the flash yet. Alright, I'm editing this video and I realized I forgot to show you how to open up the flash, and you literally just go like this. Super simple, super easy. Alright guys, so I'm over on the new camera right now, so if I'm looking to the right it's because I'm trying to see how it adjusts. So you can basically change it to do everything automatically or do manual, and so on the bottom on the screen you can just tap where you want it to focus. So if I'm standing over here but I want it to focus on my picture, I kind of like get blurred out a little bit. I'm just gonna try to test. So like if I'm in front of the window, it should just pick up and automatically the exposure will change, and if I tap on my face, it just focuses on me. So I really like the quality of it. It's crazy, like it's a big difference, and my hair looks crazy right now, so don't mind that, but the quality is insane. The bottom you can adjust even while you're filming the brightness, so if I want to turn it up, look at how bright it gets. You just click on the screen, which is so much easier, so you don't have to always like stop recording, fix the settings, or change your lighting. You can do it all while you're filming. That's great. So if I come back over here, here I am. And right now I just have this on number 1. I'm gonna still play around with it. This is not how it's gonna be forever. I'm just gonna keep playing around with it, keep finding what I like, and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to end off this video right here. This is just my unboxing and my first initial review and thoughts on the camera. I really love it so much, and there's so much you can do with it. There's so much settings you can adjust. You can go through the picture quality and just put in all your little presets that you want. I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't even know what I want. So there's so much you can do with this camera. You can, like I said, add on a whole different lens if you want. You can add a microphone to the top, and I don't know, I'm really happy with choosing this one, and I'm really excited to film a bunch of videos now and continue vlogging. I'm actually vlogging today, so I'm actually going to switch over and start vlogging with this camera after I was just using this one. So also in that vlog you'll be able to see the quality change, but this is what my other camera looked like if you guys were curious. So if I tap, you see it focused on the Canon, and I'm now a little bit blurry, so you literally just tap on the viewfinder. So this is just the Canon, and it says on the bottom SX730, and the viewfinder came up, so you can see in the reflection that viewfinder comes out to the side. So it's very different because I'm so used to just like quickly looking up, but you can tell so much if I look to the side. Like it's a big adjustment for me. But yeah, this is my other little camera, easy to just hold, but I do like the grip on this one. Since it is a bigger camera, you need like a good grip, so that's something I really like about this one. And I have it on my tripod that I already had, so I'll also link down my tripod. It's not new, I've had it for ever since I got that camera, so I'll try to link it down below or link something similar. I do want to get one of those really big tripods that collapse. I can use it for when I'm filming like try-on hauls, so I do want to look into buying one of those. So if you have any suggestions for me for any of those tripods, then let me know. But also let me know if you guys have any cameras, or if you do have this camera, what are your favorite settings? Maybe I can try something out. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna play around with it, so I'm definitely gonna keep using it right after I finish off this video and just keep testing it. But right now I really like how it looks, and I like that it can automatically change the focus and automatically change your exposure depending on where you are, your setting, if you're outside and stuff. So I'm definitely curious to see how it looks when I go outside. So I came outside to test it, and it just automatically adjusted the exposure, and the quality is insane. And I'm gonna try to focus like on these bushes right here. So it adjusts, and then I just focus it and it'll focus on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing and my review of it. If you have any further questions, you can comment down below, or just anything, you could just comment down below and I always respond. And if you did enjoy, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because now I'm going to be posting even more content because I'm really excited to use this camera. I've already been super consistent and I'm really excited to continue to grow. So I'm really excited for this new journey with this new camera, and I'll link mine down below that I got, like I said, I think. And I think that's all I wanted to cover. So I'll see you guys all in my next video.
That's okay.